Look at the size of this buck chasing this doe through the pond. You guys see this buck? Grunting and everything. Look at this. Chasing the doe. Unbelievable. Going through the swamp right now. Coming around on the other side right now. He's in those cattails over there, running through the cattails. Big buck chasing the doe. Look, going crazy through there. Raising hell through there, through the cattails. Up, now he's over here, running back and forth. Let's see if they come out the other side. He's probably going to stay in there. Where up there he is. There's the doe. Going in the pond. What are you doing? Going in the pond. Whoa! Look at this buck. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. Put the fishing pole down. Incredible. This is how desperate this is, guys. Only live, Passaic County fishing. A big buck chasing a doe, trying to get away. Come on, guys, come over here. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Incredible footage here, guys. Over here at Henderson Pond in West Paterson, New Jersey. Incredible. You're gonna go through the lily pads and get stuck. He's got it in 4-wheel drive now, trying to get out of here. It's gonna get shallow. Who said deer can't swim, guys? Incredible footage, guys. Incredible. Never ever seen before. Look at that buck. Think he's tired? Now he's coming back around. He's tired. That buck is tired, that old man. Tired. Go ahead, though. Get out of there. There you go. Going around. Trying to get away. Going back in there. Down there. Down they went. Guys, over here fishing, doing some beautiful fall fishing. Passaic County fishing. Unbelievable footage right there. Unbelievable. Now he's still going crazy down there. Probably going to come back out. He's chasing him, chasing her all over the place, that buck. Unbelievable footage, guys. Unbelievable. I was glad I was able to capture it on the GoPro and the iPhone. What do you say we get back to fishing here? I actually got my jerkbait out there in the water right now. But I think I see the buck coming back out. Unbelievable. That's the first experience seeing that buck chase him through the cattails over here, right? And then going literally desperately into the pond over here where the deep end is, and then come back through here where the lily pads is. Only in West Paterson, guys, over here at Henderson Pond, where we got big smallmouth, largemouth, pike, pickerel, perch, channel catfish, bullhead catfish. The #1 pond for smallmouth bass in the state of New Jersey. Right here, Passaic County, New Jersey. All right, guys, you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed that footage right there of that big 9-pointer chasing that doe, that female, through the lily pads, through the cattails, and then back down and around. What's better than that? You guys have a fantastic Halloween. Enjoy your weekend and be safe out there. Happy Halloween, everybody, from Passaic County Fishing. Have a great day.